treat pop. Click play to start. Play. Bubble Puppy's a good boy. He deserves some treats. But all the treats are trapped in bubbles. Click the bubbles with your mouse to get the treats Bubble Puppy wants. Click as many of the right treat bubbles as you can before time runs out. To get bonus points, collect all the bone-shaped treats. Ready to play? Fantastic! Collect all the square treats. Sensational! Great job! You're in it to swim it! Sensational! You're in it to swim it! Fantastic! You collected 32 square treats altogether. Fantastic! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Ready for the next wave? Collect all the purple treats. Great job! Awesome! Awesome! Great job! Fantastic! All right! Fantastic! You collected 54 purple treats altogether. Fantastic! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Ready for the next wave? Collect all the treats. All right! Great job! Awesome! Fantastic! You're in it to swim it! Fantastic! Sensational! Great job! You're in it to swim it! You're in it to swim it! Fantastic! You're in it to swim it! All right! Fantastic! Great job! Yay! Awesome! Awesome! Sensational! All right! You collected 143 treats altogether. Fantastic! That will make Bubble Puppy super happy. Way to go! Treat time! Good boy, Bubble Puppy! To collect more treats for Bubble Puppy, click play again.